Yet, ever feel like the invisible cleaner in a crowded market? You're new, you're passionate, but potential clients are skeptical because they don't know you. Guess what? That's about to change. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to earn trust fast, even if you're a busy parent juggling a side hustle or a solo cleaner just starting out. Stick with me and we'll turn that "who's this" into "wow, I trust this person, why trust absolutely matters." Hi Shiners, I'm a cleaning business owner with 15 years of professional experience, and I've learned one truth: trust is your #1 asset. When clients trust you, they stay with you. Especially for busy homeowners, letting a new cleaner into their home is a big deal. They're not just buying a clean house, they're buying peace of mind. You're not just in the cleaning business, you're in the trust business. Understanding this will transform how you work. Today, I'll give you step-by-step tips to build rock-solid trust from day one. These are practical, real-world steps. The same strategies I used to grow from "no one knows me" to a fully booked schedule over the last decade and a half. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Dress, act, and show up like a pro. First impressions are everything. In your very first 10 seconds with a client, you either gain a bit of trust or raise a red flag. So, look and act the part. Professional appearance. Wear a clean uniform or polo with your business name if possible. A tidy, put-together look screams, "I take this seriously." It shows you respect yourself and their home, punctuality and reliability. Arrive on time or a few minutes early. This simple act proves you respect their schedule. Remember, if you promise to be there at 9 a.m., be there at 8:55. Being dependable builds trust instantly. Transparent pricing and services. Right up front, be crystal clear about what you'll do and what it costs. Provide a written checklist of tasks or a brochure so there are no surprises. Clients feel safe when they know exactly what to expect. Legitimize your business. If you can, get licensed, bonded, or insured. It might seem small to you, but taking the step to get insured shows clients you value their trust. Mention it in your quotes or introductions. We're fully insured for your peace of mind. Instantly, you've set yourself apart from fly-by-night operators. By presenting yourself as a true professional from day one, you put skeptical clients at ease. They might be thinking, "No one knows this person," but your confident professional demeanor says, "I'm an expert. You can rely on me." Being new doesn't mean being amateur. Even if you're just starting, act like the established pro you aspire to be. Clients will feel that energy and respond with trust. Step 2. Do what you say and over-deliver. Now that you've set the stage, it's time to deliver the goods. Trust is built by keeping promises. Always do exactly what you said you would do. This is the classic under-promise and over-deliver. Meet every expectation. If you told Mrs. Smith you'd clean the kitchen and bathrooms, make sure every inch sparkles. Reliability 101. Never skip a task you promised. Each fulfilled promise is a trust deposit in your bank account with the client. Exceed expectations. Find little ways to give extra. Maybe you clean an extra window or leave a small thank you note for the client. For example, if a client asks for service sometime next week and you have an opening, surprise them by coming today. They'll be amazed to see the job done earlier than expected. Doing a bit more or finishing faster than you promised makes clients think, "Wow, that was above and beyond." Consistent quality. Don't just wow them once, do it every time. Consistency shows you weren't just trying to impress on day one. When you deliver great results, visit after visit, clients relax because they know you'll do a great job each time. That consistency turns first-time customers into long-term loyal clients. By reliably doing what you say, and even going a step further, you prove your words aren't empty. You're showing, not just telling. Busy parents and professionals love when something just gets done without reminders or fuss. Become that person for them. People remember how you made them feel. When you over-deliver, you're not just cleaning a home, you're delivering joy and relief. That feeling is what makes you their go-to cleaner whom they trust wholeheartedly. Step 3. Communicate and connect. Be the friendly problem solver. Trust isn't just built with a mop and bucket, it's built with communication and care. Especially as a new cleaner, how you talk and listen to clients can set you apart. Here's how to create that personal connection. Listen to their needs. Every family and home is unique. Take a minute to ask, do you have any specific concerns or priority areas today? Showing genuine interest in what matters to them proves you're not just running through a checklist, you're tailoring your service to their needs. When clients see you remembering that Mrs. Jones's baby naps at 2 p.m. or that Mr. Lee's dog is afraid of the vacuum, they feel understood and cared for. Communicate clearly and promptly. Return calls and messages quickly. If a client texts you, try to reply as soon as you can. Quick responses say, "You're important to me." In fact, being a problem solver who responds rapidly is a trust superpower. If a client has an issue, "I spilled juice on the carpet," and you reply right away with a plan, they'll remember your responsiveness. Stay positive and professional in tone. Be that upbeat, can-do person. Instead of saying, "No, I can't do that," try, "I can't today, but let's schedule an extra task next visit." Always offer a solution or alternative. When something unexpected comes up, because life happens, keep the client in the loop. For example, if you're running 10 minutes late due to traffic, a quick text ahead of time, "Running a bit late, on my way," turns a potential trust breaker into an opportunity to show reliability and respect. Personal touches. Little gestures build rapport. Smile, make eye contact, and be friendly. Remember details they mention. If your client mentions it's their birthday or their kid's graduation next time you visit, congratulate them. These human touches make clients see you as not just a service provider, but a trusted friend who cares. When you communicate and connect, you transform the relationship. Clients go from seeing you as the new cleaner to someone who truly gets me and my home. That emotional bond equals increased trust and loyalty. If you're finding these tips helpful, tap that thumbs up and hit subscribe for more high-value insights. Drop a comment if you've had an aha moment so far. I'd love to know. And hey, if you want a handy free checklist or resource guide to kickstart your cleaning business, check the description box. We've got you covered with some bonus help. Now, let's jump back in and build even more trust. Step 4. Show integrity. Own your mistakes and guarantee your work. No one's perfect. Even with the best care, mistakes can happen. A scratched surface, a missed spot, an accidental breakage. How you handle these moments can make or break trust. The key is integrity. Always be honest. If something goes wrong, never cover it up. Never lie to your customers. It will destroy trust faster than any mistake. Instead, be upfront. For example, you knock over a vase. Inform the client immediately, apologize sincerely, and offer to make it right. Clients will be upset at the issue, sure, but they'll respect your honesty. In my experience, many will respond with surprising grace when you're truthful. I once had a situation where I used the wrong cleaner on a countertop and dulled the finish. I immediately told the homeowner and offered a solution. She thanked me for my honesty and let me fix it, and kept me as her cleaner for years afterward because she knew I wouldn't hide problems. Own it and solve it. Don't just say sorry. Take responsibility and do what you can to fix the issue. This might mean repairing or paying for a damaged item, or re-cleaning an area. When clients see that you will make things right, their trust in you can actually grow, even after a mistake. Offer a satisfaction guarantee. As a new cleaner trying to prove yourself, consider offering a simple guarantee. If you're not satisfied, I'll come back and make it right. Free. This bold promise shows confidence in your work and tells clients, I stand behind what I do. It removes the risk for them. Many established cleaning businesses do this because it builds trust. Make it your policy. 100% satisfaction, or I fix it. Few will actually call you back to redo something, but just knowing they could give clients peace of mind. Learn and improve. Show that you take feedback seriously. If a client points out something you missed, thank them and remember it. Next time, proactively mention, I paid extra attention to the baseboards this time since you noticed them last visit. They'll see that you listen and learn, which reinforces trust. Integrity is powerful. People can tell if you're genuine. By being honest, accountable, and standing by your work, you'll set yourself apart from others who might make excuses or hide issues. Remember that story of the cleaner who lied about knowing how to wax floors? He wanted the job so badly, he stretched the truth about his experience and ended up botching the floor and losing the client's trust completely. The lesson: short-term pride isn't worth long-term trust. Be real, be accountable, and clients will trust you, even as a newbie. Mistakes don't have to ruin you. They can actually boost your reputation if you handle them with integrity and care. Every problem is an opportunity to show your character. Trust is earned in tough moments, not easy ones. Step 5. Build your reputation. Collect social proof and referrals. In the beginning, no one knows you. But you can change that quickly by leveraging the happy customers you do get. People trust word of mouth more than any ad. So, start building your reputation from your very first jobs. Ask for testimonials and reviews. Did your client's eyes light up at the sparkling stove you cleaned? Did someone say, "Thank you, it looks amazing"? That's your cue to kindly ask, "I'm so glad you're happy. Would you mind leaving a quick review or even just a sentence I could share as a testimonial?" Most people are happy to help when you ask at the right time, when they're pleased. Why is this so important? Because when deciding on a cleaning service, people want to hear about others' experiences. A glowing review on your Facebook page or Google listing, or a quote on your website, is gold. It provides social proof, an assurance that someone else took a chance on you and loved your work. These testimonials build credibility and trust for new customers. Leverage your personal network. Your early clients might be people you know, neighbors, friends, someone from PTA or church. Don't be shy to ask them to spread the word. A quick message like, "Hey, do you know anyone else who might need a reliable cleaner? I have a couple of openings for new clients," can open doors. Referrals are powerful. When a friend or family member vouches for you, new clients come in pre-trusting you because someone they trust already gave the nod. Offer an incentive for referrals. As you grow, consider a referral program. For example, refer a friend and your next cleaning is 20% off, or you both get $20 off. Busy parents talk to other busy parents. Make it rewarding for them to recommend you. Even without formal programs, word of mouth from happy customers is your best advertising. Happy customers can be your best marketing team, so nurture those relationships. When you gather social proof, you turn "no one knows you" into "everyone's hearing good things about you." It creates a snowball effect. Trust leads to more clients, which leads to more great reviews and referrals, which leads to even more clients. This is how a new cleaner with no initial reputation can, in a matter of months, build a solid name in the community. Pro tip: if you're really new and finding it hard to get that first review, you might even do a couple of jobs for free, or at cost, just to earn testimonials and practice. Some experts suggest cleaning for a friend or a local charity for free in exchange for an honest testimonial. It's an investment in your reputation. Don't think of it as losing money. Think of it as gaining trust that will pay off many times over. Social proof turns a stranger into a client. People might not know you personally, but if they see others praising you, their skepticism melts away. Reputation is everything, and you have the power to build it step by step, starting with the very first client you serve. Now it's your turn. Go out and put these tips into action this week. Even if you implement just one or two, you'll start to see the difference in how clients respond. If you got value from this video, smash that subscribe button for more expert cleaning business tips, and give this video a like. Comment below one action you'll take to build trust with your clients. I'm cheering you on and can't wait to see you succeed. And hey, if you want a handy free checklist or resource guide to kickstart your cleaning business, check the description box. We've got you covered with some bonus help. Remember, every cleaning pro starts unknown, but with trust and tenacity, you won't stay unknown for long. You've got this.